Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Riches with your girl Delshad. Today we're talking about ENS domains and why you need one, even if you think you don't. So I will go through what they are, why they matter, and why you might seriously regret not getting one sooner. Because to keep it real with y'all, this is just history repeating itself. Before we dive in, let's talk about Ethereum because ENS wouldn't exist without it. Ethereum isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a decentralized computing platform that lets developers build applications directly on the blockchain. And ENS is Ethereum's answer to a problem that we all have. Instead of using those long, impossible to remember wallet addresses, ENS gives you a human-readable name. It's built on Ethereum, meaning it's decentralized. No one can censor, control, or take it away from you. And because it uses smart contracts, ENS isn't just a name. It can also store data, verify identities, and connect to decentralized apps. Think of it like this. The internet moved from IP addresses to http://google.com, right? Web3 is moving from a long 42 character like 0x4BC4 to whatever you want .eth. It's that simple. So trust me, you don't want to sleep on this. Let's set the scene, and I know you'll all probably get an internet deja vu moment. So imagine it's the early 90s and someone tells you, hey, you should go register your name.com before someone else does. And you're like, why? It's just a website. Fast forward a few years and suddenly people are flipping basic domains for millions of dollars. Ringing any bells? Because we're in that moment right now again, but this time it's not about Web 2 domains. It's happening on the blockchain. And if you don't grab your ENS domain now, you'll be kicking yourself later. ENS, Ethereum Name Service, is basically your Web3 username, domain, and wallet address all in one. It's basically your Web3 identity. You know those ugly 42-character Ethereum addresses that look like this? Yeah, no one is remembering that. It's like trying to memorize a Wi-Fi password from hell. Instead, you could just have your name.eth, like I have mine, Delshad.eth, and suddenly your crypto address is as simple as an email. People can send you crypto, NFTs, or messages without you needing to copy-paste a string of nonsense. It's literally the same reason we stopped using IP addresses to visit websites and started to go to google.com instead, right? It's cleaner, it's smarter, and it just makes sense. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Some people say that this is just a flex. I don't need a .eth domain. My wallet works fine. And to those people, I ask, did you also think websites were useless in the 90s? Because today, owning an ENS domain is like having a professional email address while everyone else is stuck with AOL burner accounts. And if you still think that ENS domains are a gimmick, I'm gonna give you real numbers. Because as I said, people aren't just registering these domains, they're flipping them for serious money. Paradigm.eth was sold for $1.51 million. This is one of the highest ENS sales ever, proving that premium names are already a goldmine. ABC.eth went for $250,000. Short, simple, and insanely valuable, just like premium.com domains in the early days of the internet. DeFi.eth sold for $100,000 because let's be real, DeFi isn't going anywhere. Crypto.eth also sold for $100,000. A no-brainer buy considering crypto is the backbone of Web3. Wallet.eth grabbed for $75,000 because when you're dealing with crypto, what's more important than your wallet, right? The point here is that ENS domains aren't just digital vanity plates. They're valuable assets that people are already paying top dollar for. Okay, still not convinced. Let's talk big brands. Nike got their ENS. Budweiser got their ENS. Even Paris Hilton, you bet she got hers. And meanwhile, you're debating if a $5 Starbucks coffee is worth it, instead of securing your identity on the blockchain. Priorities, people, priorities. And I think it's important to talk about why you should care. Like right now, let's say you're still on the fence. You think ENS is just for hardcore crypto nerds. Fine. But let's fast forward to 2030. By then, your job, your payments, your entire digital life it's all on chain. And guess what? Some random dude named cryptorich420 registered your name.eth before you did. So now he either sells it back to you 50 times the price or impersonates you. And don't think this is a maybe situation. It's already happening. People bought Elon.eth, they bought Vitalik.eth, they even bought Amazon.eth before the actual owners did. So if you value your name, your brand, or even just not getting scammed, securing your ENS today is the smart move. So let's talk about how to get one before it's too late, because now you're thinking, fine, I'll grab mine, but how? It's easy. I'll walk you through it. Step 1, go to ens.domains. Step 2, search for your name or brand. Step 3, register it for as little as $5 a year. That's it. You own your identity in Web3 now. No middlemen, no verification hoops, no begging some platform for your username, just your name secured forever. Look, people are already fighting over Instagram handles and Twitter usernames like their actual property. ENS domains are the next battleground. So the question isn't, do I need one? It's more like, how long until I regret not getting one? Your move. Guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a messenger. Make sure to always do your own research. So now, please do tell, do you already own your ENS or are you grabbing one before they're gone? Let me know in the comments. And of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never get left behind in this Web3 revolution. And as always, may your wallets be full and your trades be smooth. See you in the next video. Have a good one.